For more than 3 decades, Hubble Space Telescope has stood as one of the most important scientific instruments ever placed into orbit. Since its launch in 1990 aboard Space Shuttle Discovery, the telescope has transformed humanity's understanding of the universe. Designed to operate above Earth's atmosphere, Hubble escaped the blurring effects of air and weather that limit ground-based telescopes, allowing it to capture images of space with extraordinary clarity. At the beginning, its mission seemed straightforward. Hubble would study distant galaxies, glowing nebulae, and the faint remnants of the early universe. Scientists hoped it would help measure cosmic expansion, observe stellar birthplaces, and examine structures billions of light-years away. But over time, Hubble became far more than a deep space observatory. Unexpectedly, it also evolved into one of humanity's most powerful tools for studying our own solar system. With its stable orbit, precision optics, and ability to revisit the same targets year after year, Hubble began revealing dynamic processes across planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. Instead of a static collection of distant objects, the solar system began to appear alive with motion, storms, impacts, and chemical changes unfolding in real time. Many worlds within our planetary neighborhood remain only partially explored. Dedicated spacecraft missions are rare and expensive, and most visit their targets for only brief periods. In the long gaps between these missions, Hubble has quietly taken on the role of a long-term observer. From its vantage point hundreds of kilometers above Earth, the telescope repeatedly turns its gaze toward familiar planets, documenting subtle transformations that would otherwise go unnoticed. Its greatest strength is patience. Unlike flyby probes that capture a few snapshots before departing forever, Hubble can return to the same world again and again over decades. This continuity allows scientists to watch change as it happens. Of course, the telescope is not without limitations. Hubble was built primarily to observe distant objects, not nearby ones. Its field of view is relatively narrow, which means extremely large objects close to Earth cannot always fit within a single frame. Our own moon, for example, appears too large in the sky for Hubble to capture all at once. Detailed mapping of the lunar surface is instead performed by dedicated missions such as the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, which produces extremely high-resolution images of the Moon's terrain. Yet even with this limitation, Hubble has contributed to lunar science in creative and unexpected ways. One particularly ingenious experiment occurred during the rare transit of Venus across the face of the Sun in 2012. Observing Venus directly during this event would have risked damaging the telescope's sensitive instruments. Instead, scientists devised an indirect approach. They used the Moon as a giant mirror. Sunlight passed through the thick atmosphere of Venus as the planet crossed the Sun. That filtered light then reflected off the lunar surface and traveled back toward Earth, where Hubble analyzed its spectrum. By studying tiny changes in the light's wavelength, scientists were able to identify chemical components in Venus's atmosphere. The results confirmed that carbon dioxide dominates the planet's dense atmosphere, along with several trace gases. More importantly, the experiment demonstrated a powerful technique that is now widely used to study atmospheres around distant planets orbiting other stars. In essence, the method tested on Venus became a blueprint for investigating exoplanets across the galaxy. While the Moon presents challenges for Hubble, Mars is nearly a perfect target. Because the telescope observes from far away, it can capture full-disk images of the planet, global views that orbiting spacecraft often cannot achieve. Over the years, Hubble has monitored seasonal changes on Mars with remarkable detail. It has tracked the expansion and retreat of polar ice caps, shifting patterns of clouds, and the development of immense dust storms that sometimes envelop the entire planet. One of the most dramatic events occurred in 2001 when a massive storm grew so large that it blanketed Mars completely. For months the surface was hidden beneath a swirling cloud of dust. Observations like this revealed just how dynamic the Martian environment can be, offering valuable insights for robotic missions and future human explorers. Hubble has also studied Mars's largest moon, Phobos. Phobos orbits extremely close to Mars, completing a full circuit in just over 7 hours. Tidal forces are slowly pulling the moon inward, and scientists believe that in tens of millions of years it may either crash into Mars or break apart to form a temporary ring system. Watching this slow orbital decay provides important clues about the long-term evolution of moons and planetary systems. Beyond Mars lies the asteroid belt, a vast region filled with rocky remnants from the earliest days of planetary formation. These bodies never merged into a full planet, leaving behind a scattered record of the solar system's ancient past. Hubble has revealed that many asteroids behave in surprising ways. Some develop comet-like tails, even though they contain little ice. In several cases, this activity appears to result from sunlight gradually altering an asteroid's rotation. As the spin accelerates, loose surface material can be flung into space, creating dramatic streams of dust. Such discoveries have changed the way scientists think about asteroid stability and structure. Many of these objects are not solid rocks at all but fragile, rubble piles, collections of debris held together only by weak gravity. Another remarkable event occurred when Hubble observed the aftermath of a high-speed collision between two asteroids. The impact created an unusual X-shaped cloud of debris, revealing how chaotic and violent the asteroid belt can be even today. Farther from the Sun, the giant planet Jupiter dominates the outer solar system with its immense gravitational influence. Often described as a cosmic shield, Jupiter can capture or deflect many comets and asteroids that might otherwise threaten the inner planets. This protective role became dramatically clear in 1994 when the comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 collided with Jupiter after being torn apart by the planet's gravity. The fragments slammed into the atmosphere at enormous speeds, producing towering plumes and dark scars visible even from Earth. Hubble's observations allowed scientists to study a planetary impact in unprecedented detail, revealing the immense energy released by such collisions. The telescope has also examined Jupiter's dazzling auroras, which are far larger and more powerful than those seen on Earth. These glowing displays occur when charged particles interact with the planet's massive magnetic field, producing brilliant curtains of light near its poles. Among Jupiter's many moons, one world has drawn particular attention: Europa. Beneath its icy crust lies a global ocean of liquid water. Hubble has detected hints of water vapor erupting from Europa's surface in towering plumes, suggesting that material from the ocean may occasionally reach space. Chemical signatures detected in these plumes include sodium chloride, ordinary table salt, indicating that Europa's hidden ocean may have a composition similar to Earth's seas. This discovery has strengthened the possibility that Europa could host conditions suitable for life. Meanwhile, Hubble continues to observe Saturn, particularly since the Cassini-Huygens mission ended in 2017. Without a dedicated spacecraft orbiting Saturn, Hubble now plays a crucial role in tracking changes in the planet's atmosphere, monitoring giant storms, and watching seasonal shifts across its ring system. The telescope also provides rare long-term observations of the distant ice giants Uranus and Neptune, worlds that have been visited only once by spacecraft. By comparing images taken years apart, astronomers can study their evolving weather systems and atmospheric dynamics. Over more than 30 years of operation, the Hubble Space Telescope has exceeded nearly every expectation placed upon it. Its contributions to astrophysics, cosmology, and planetary science have reshaped our understanding of the universe. Even today, with newer observatories now operating in space, Hubble continues to deliver valuable discoveries. Careful management of its systems could allow the telescope to remain functional well into the 2040s, working alongside newer instruments rather than being replaced by them. The universe is vast, constantly changing, and filled with unanswered questions. Through its steady gaze, Hubble has shown that even the worlds we thought we understood still contain mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Every new observation carries the possibility of surprise. And after decades of watching the sky, one lesson remains clear. The cosmos is never truly silent. It is simply waiting for us to look closely enough to hear it.